Hello friends, welcome to the CloudWeek YouTube channel. My name is Manoj and today we will learn how to install Windows PowerShell 7. So there are three methods. You can check out this guide also. One is through the Winget and another is through the Microsoft Store and the third one is through the MSI file. So I will explain every method one by one. So first we need to go to the PowerShell. So for the Winget method, you need to run Windows PowerShell as administrator and you need to run this command. So it will take some time and install the Microsoft PowerShell latest version. As you can see, it is downloading the Windows PowerShell 7.4.2. So it will take some time in downloading depending on the internet speed. Once it has downloaded, it will install the Windows PowerShell 7. So now I will show you the another method. It's from the Microsoft Store. So search for Microsoft Store, open it and search for PowerShell. So open this one, PowerShell, and here you can see the option to get. So click on the get button. So it will also install the PowerShell latest version. So the benefit of the Microsoft Store is that once any update will be available, it will automatically update the PowerShell depending on your updation settings. As you can see, the package has been downloaded and you can see the installer has been run. The same thing will happen also in the Microsoft Store. Once the downloaded will be completed, same installer will run and you need to perform the installation steps. So I am closing this one as we have already downloaded through Windows PowerShell. As you can check here, search for PowerShell and you can see under the apps PowerShell 7 has been installed. You can run this and you can see it is running successfully. So another method is through the MSI package. So you can check out Microsoft documentation or you can check out GitHub PowerShell releases. We will open this and you can see all the versions here. So you can download any version that you need to install. Also you can check out the same from the Microsoft documentations. Version is here, PowerShell 7.4.2 for x64 and for x86. So we will open this and you can see the package has been started downloading. Once downloaded, you can run this package to install the PowerShell 7. So you can choose any of the method that you find is easy. So thank you guys for watching the complete video. If you have any queries regarding this, you can ask us in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Also follow us on other social media platforms. Social media links are in the description.